We learn quadratic equation. Remember quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means x to the power what? X to the power 2, right? Then after when I solve what happened, I will have how many brackets? 2 brackets, right? What happens if I want to solve cubic equation? Oh, then I have 3 brackets. So welcome to the next topic, cubic equation. Now I guarantee you this is the easiest one. Super easy one. You hear already you are oh like that only. So let's break down and understand the mechanic behind it. First, if I have a cubic, do you agree I can simplify into these 3 things? Right? Like 3 brackets, right? So let's do the reverse first and show you that show yourself that ultimately you will have an x cube here. Can you try now? So what I will do is I will probably expand this 2 first. So then here I write x minus 1 x squared minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x plus 6. Now, don't, 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 don't do this. Then, you have to simplify this. And people who refuse to use calculator will tell me this is 1. But it's negative 5. So, why do I want to do this? Because over here got how many terms? 3, 3 term means 2 times 3, 6 term here only. But if you do this, here got 4 terms. 4 times 2, 8 terms. The more terms you generate, the more terms you multiply, the more mistake you will get. Actually, I didn't see there's a bracket here. But this is to go here, this is to come here. But since I got this, I can cancel this away. I can straight away multiply. Now, 2 terms here, 3 terms here. How many terms do you expect? 6. So, 6 rainbow and 6 terms. Correct? Let's continue. Alright. Kunj, Gerald. So can you fill this in? We say that these three are called linear factors. Linear means x power 1. Can you write that down? Linear means x power 1. So I tell you, this cubic equation got 3 linear factors. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay, somebody are using calculator to play cheat. I will tell you all later. Now, so it means that if this is divided by either of the linear factor, what will be the remainder? 0. 0. So this one, then you have to... Okay, can I teach you a lazy method? Let fx be x cubed minus 6x squared. Matthew, can you behave yourself? Now, if you let fx be equals to this long thing, then every time you want to summon this long thing, you can replace with fx. Summon means you want to write out. Yeah, mode 3, 4. Okay. Later I'll teach you the calculator method. But calculator method can only be used to check, cannot be used to do. Okay. So let's start with one example. Now, given this, so I will write f x equals to x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. The question here is factorize. Can you write down? Factorize means I want to have something like that. Can you write down? Factorize means later on the answer will look like something like that. Why 3 brackets? Because in this case it's x cubed. If it's x squared, then 2 brackets. If it's x, then just 1 bracket. Something like that. Now, like that. Then, over here, the possible value of roots. The roots here means solution of x means the factors of fx. Means x plus minus something. Okay? So the roots means I want to find what's the solution. What is the value of x such that is 0? I want to find what's the factor. Factor means x plus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 3. What is that number? Do you see the word try? Try means it's a guess and check. I repeat. Guess means is a try means is a guess and check. So can we try now? What's your favorite number? 0 is correct lah, but 0 very obvious. I put, you see, 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 6. 6. Remainder is 6. Out. What do you want? You want to find factor. Factor means you want to find remainder equals to 0. So over here, what you are interested is you want to find out remainder equals to 0. What is that factor? So can we try? Notice I don't write here. Can we try let x equals 1? Can you try x equals to 1? 1 minus 4. Yes. Okay. I try a wrong demo. I want you to copy the wrong demo. X equals to 1. Can you write down F1? 1 minus 4. The 1. I want to have the habit. 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus 6 equals remainder. What is my remainder? 5. Change your calculator or change your hand. 5. Okay, so r equals to 4. What can you conclude? X equals to 1. Is this a factor? No. What's the next number to try? Minus 1. Or 2. Or minus 2. Or 3. Or minus 3. Still cannot try half. Try minus half. So, are you willing to try one more time? Minus 1. Okay. Let's try Isabel's negative 1. Let's try Vice 2 on the actual one because she's very confident that this is the correct answer. But the minus 1, can you try outside? What do you get? Oh, also get 0. Oh, then Isabel also correct. So, minus 1 cube minus 4 minus 1. Okay, now so let us put in Vice answer. Try x equals to 2. This is 2. This is remainder. And put in the 2 cube. 2 square 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Then write down since remainder equals to 0, what can you conclude? X minus 2, not x plus 2. X minus 2 is a factor. Only when x minus 2 equals to 0, x can be 2. So if you bring the 2 over to the other side, it is x minus 2. Try and error. I tried 3 times. At the second time, I finally got it. Now, so how do I present my answer? Can you highlight the steps now? This is an option. Either you use long division. Oops. Either you use long division or you use identity. Now, I'm going to show you 2 methods, but this is a setup. Can you write down the setup, everyone? X minus 2. X minus 2 ax square, stop. Balik. I don't want to break out the news first. I ask you now, if this is x cubed, there is an x here. What must the power here so that I multiply? Now, if this is ax square, right, the general thing behind will be a term lesser than x squared, lesser than x. So, can you write down? This is always the case for cubic equation, because you need an x squared to produce the x cube. But the rest is always I don't know. Question: can A be 0? Can B be 0? Can C be 0? So I don't know. But I just set out a general thing first. Now, why I highlight the yellow? This part here, divide into two parts. I would like to do long division. I would like to do identity. Now, how does long division look like? For the last time, can everyone do long division with me? Who say no? Right. How do I remove x cubed? Xinghui. How do I remove x cubed? Multiply by what? X squared. So I have x cubed minus what? Do you know what I'm talking about? X squared times x bar. X cubed. X squared times negative 2. X squared times negative 2. Plus or minus? Minus. So this is a minus 2x squared. Then you put a giant minus outside. Then you do the, you talk to yourself. X cubed minus x cubed, 0. Minus 4 minus minus 2. Press your calculator, don't. Xinghui again. I want to remove minus 2x squared. What must I multiply by x to get minus 2x squared? Minus 2x. So I minus 2x. So this is minus 2x squared. Minus 2x times minus 2, what do you get? Minus 2x times minus 2. Xinghui. Huh? 4x plus or minus? Plus. So this is a plus 4x. Minus 4 minus minus 2. So the minus outside is very important. You have to write it down. Now minus 2 minus minus 2 is 0. Xinghui, 1 minus plus 4. 1 minus plus 4. What do you get? Press calculator. 1 minus plus 4. Negative 3. So you write down minus 3x plus 6. See? If you are faster than me, which 3x plus 6, 0. Now, can you take out your highlighter? Highlight. This one is the same as this one. Can you take a highlighter? This one is the same as this one. What does it mean? If you do your long division correctly, there's nothing else to do. No need expand, no need compare, no need substitute. Boom, answer. A is what? 1. B is what? Minus 2. C is what? Minus 3. That's it. Huh? No, there's nothing to compare. Okay, I'm going to show you the compare method over here, and I'm going to prove to you it's exactly the same as division method. Huh? Yeah, then you mode 3. Now, let's continue with the identity first. This is a OR method. Can you write down? This is a OR method. Exam, nobody will do both. Nobody will do both. Now, let's start. How do you compare A? Compare coefficient of what? Cube. Cube is always the easiest. Look at the left hand side. What is the coefficient of x cube? 1. What is the coefficient of x cube on the right hand side? A. Do you see? X times ax squared will give you ax cubed. So the answer is A. So no need to do anything. A equal to 1. Now, last one. To compare. Compare the coefficient of x power 0. This one also the easiest to compare. No need to have a lot of multiplication. I observe on the left hand side, what is x to the power 0? 6. So I write 6. On the right hand side, which one will give you constant? Minus 2 times c. Right? The rest will all give you some x or x squared. Only this one will give you a constant. So then you can write big and confident. Negative 2c. What is c? Negative 3. So 2 statements, 2 unknowns solved. Last one is to find b. Last one is to find b. So I will let x be something. X be what? Can I let x be 0? No, I want to find b. You let x be 0. B times 0 is 0. You cannot find b. So I let x be 1. So this one, no choice. I have to follow through 1 cube minus 4 1 square plus 1 plus 6 1 minus 2. I'm not the only one writing. 1 1 square plus b minus 3. Then press your calculator, find out what is b. Find out what is b. Can I make a prediction? B should be equals to minus 2. If I walk over to you now, you are at the same pace as me, or you have completed.
Oh, because I can't.
Now, if I ask you, this is method number 1, this is method number 2. Can you show me your finger? Which method do you prefer?
One is safer, but two is faster.
Okay, good. Okay, hands down. There's no right, no wrong. As long as you can get the answer, I'm okay. I'm not going to influence you. I'm not going to force you. I'm not going to ask you to do anything. Now, but wait a minute. Hello. The question is not solved yet. Therefore, fx is x minus 2, x squared minus 2x minus 3. Do a cross factorization for this and tell me what is in the last two brackets. What's the answer? Do you agree? Exam, this is 5 marks. 5 marks is 1 grade. 1 grade. A2 become A1, B3 become A2, F9 become E8. Huh? You got B equals to 2. I need to come to you and check. I will circle your mistake for you to see. Now, can everyone take out a red pen and write this important thing? Write this important thing. To check Casio mode 3, 4. Sharp. I don't know. Can I have the mode 2? Mode 2, 3. Mode 2, 3, yeah? Mode 2, 3. Right? So, mode 2, 3, right? Mode 5. Oh, this is Casio 97, is it? Mode 5, 2, 3. Right. So, press your calculator, everyone now, and see if you get x equals to 2, x equals to 3, x equals to minus 1. Okay, good. Now, last thing, this is totally legal. This is totally legal. So, let me tell you, if you don't listen, too bad, too bad. Now, this thing here, may I ask you, I point to you, this thing here, try x equals to 2. X equals to 2. Would you use guess and check, or will you use calculator to check? Calculator. Nobody in the world will try 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, and then give me 2 full scale or rough working just to find that factor. Nobody will do that. So everyone will use calculator. But do you use calculator and write mode 2, 3? No, you'll just write try. You'll just write let x be that magical number, and one try you will get it. That's it. Okay? Can. Right, let's proceed to the next part.